Are we going to find a battery today? Yes, we're going to find the battery today. Where is it? Where's the battery? You want to show me where the battery is? I'll show you. Hello everybody, this is Rob with Yoro Adventures. Making a quick video today. We received a question from a gentleman named Tom Harmsman who asked, where is the battery on a CFMoto 800? I'm going to walk through that with you, and Tom, hopefully that answers your question. Let's go find the battery. So if you look on the user's manual or owner's manual, it says that the battery is located under the front hood. Well, I can tell you, I looked in under this front hood. I pulled the basket or whatever it is in the inside out, and it's not there. There is a fuse box that's located right under here. You need Phillips head screwdrivers removing about 10 different screws and a main primary carriage bolt to get there. It's good to know that that's your primary fuse box, but I found it. It is in the opposite side, right down here. It is right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this panel off, and how I found it was super simple. I just followed where the cables went, so there's no fanciness to it, but I'm going to take these off and show you where it's at. One thing to note, and it's good to keep in your toolkit, is it's always handy having a 10mm socket. Pretty much everything on the CFMoto comes with a 10mm socket, and I'll pick that up here in a moment. So, which is handy because it's very easy to use one tool that can get to everything. Well, let me see if I can pull this off without one-handed. And sorry for the tipping. There's the battery right there. So if you need to put a battery tender on it, which I usually do when I'm not riding it for at least 3 weeks, if you don't know, the batteries that get lower on charge tend to retain memory, and so the cells start dying, which makes it harder to keep the charge, and it gives you less battery life. But yep, there's the battery. So appreciate the question being asked. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it was to get to it. It was literally two 10mm screws. You can gain access to your battery and do whatever you need to do. Hopefully this video, even while it's short, answers some questions. You know, these videos came about because we had some people post on the YouTube channel questions about batteries, and I thought I would do a quick video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to submit them. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, like the videos, and feel free to ask questions, and I'll go try to find the answer. I really do enjoy finding answers on things that I haven't thought about or may have just taken for granted. Again, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click like on any of the videos that you like. Leave comments, questions, and you'll find that I'll respond as quickly as possible. Us here at Yoro really want to share adventures, share what we go through, what we do. So if you have a video that you've created, feel free to message us, and I will be more than happy to share it on our channel. Hope everything's going well, and you have a great time out on the trails. Have a great day.